Welcome. Today I am with 360H camera. I'm gonna show you how you can change date and time settings. So at the first, click right here one more time and then just scroll down to date and the time. Click here to confirm, and as you can see in this place we can change date. So if you want to change date, just click here. If you want to go forward, like for months, you can change it here. And the same with the date. If you want to go for minutes and hours, you can also change it. And then to confirm, you have to click right here on the back button. When you enter one more time, I just scroll down, so we have to keep scrolling because unfortunately there's no button that we can go upwards. So enter for the date and time, and as you can see, it stays on this one that we set up. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.